Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix compare price not showing. So I'm going to be showing you how you can just enable compare price on your products. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to just log into your Shopify store. Okay, that's the first step. Like I said, this is going to take you only like 1 minute to fix. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and after that you want to click on like markets. Okay, so after, guys, you click on markets, it's going to take you guys to this page. Now I want to click here, it says preferences, and after you click, guys, on preferences, you want to scroll down a little bit, and here you can see compare at price hiding. Now you just need to disable this or toggle it off. Okay, so after, guys, you toggle it off, what you guys need to do is you want to check now if the compare price is showing or not. Now I'm going to try. As you can see, it's only showing for this product, it doesn't show for other products. Now to fix this problem, you'll just click on products. Okay, so after, guys, you find a product where you want to add the compare price, click on the product. Now if this product has different variations, I believe you cannot do that you cannot select all the variations and add compare price. They are not going to allow you. So what you guys need to do instead, you want to click on each variant, click on it, and here you can add the compare price to each variant. For example, compare price, I would add like 200, click on save. You can do this for each variant here. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so like I said, you can like change the compare price. I'm going to add again 200. I'm going to go down and I'm going to do that again. The compare price, I would add 200. Save. Now I'm going to click on more actions. Okay, so I'm going to check this product. I'm going to click on view this product so that we can see if there are any changes right now. Okay, this is the product. As you can see, the compare price now is showing on the Shopify product. As you can see, it's showing. Okay, you have added $200 and it's just my currency. That's why it looks 2000 dirhams, which is like $200 in dollar currency. So that's exactly, guys, how you can add compare price, or how you can fix compare price not showing or not appearing on your Shopify products. If this one helped you, please drop a like and see you guys next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.